Let's model a plastic bottle in SolidWorks, and we will create this with some basic features. You will see some small patterns here, upper leaf pattern, and here some this cutout. If you see, even if you see section view, see this all internal cutouts. So let's see how we will do in SolidWorks. Now here we have two views, one front view and there is a one section view A. And the top view, we don't need it because we already written here. See this leaf pattern, 10 number of patterns, and this decorated cutouts, 6 pattern. Okay. So first we will create outer body, then we will cut these cutouts. Outer diameter 70, height total 130, but up to this 70 dia, this 70 diameter height is 80 millimeter. Then after this you will see 35 radius. These 50 radius seems flat, so we will cut later. But before achieving this, you have to create something like this. See, shown in dotted view. Then we will add this how much diameter? 30 diameter, and total height 130. Then corner radius R5. Front plane sketch. Let me activate line. Go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc. Place up to here. Okay. Now select the center point and this one. Go inside. Make this line. Okay, no issue. Diameter radius 70 divided by 2. Height given 80 millimeter. And this is by default 35. Now go to feature, apply revolve boss base feature and select this end. By default angle 360 applied. Okay. The extruded part, upper part we will create later after cutting this leaf. Select this corner and you will see this pop-up, fillet, constant type, symmetric, and here define radius 5 millimeter. See. Okay, let's make this cutout. Now, if you see inside section view, there is a deep and there is a, see this 6 millimeter cutout, and this cutout also have angle, draft angle 45 degree. Okay. Then what is the size? You will see, observe the size 60. See, this is shown in dotted line 60, 36. Distance from here 15 millimeters. See here. We will cut this one. Then this center part 14, 30, 26 millimeter here. We have to extrude. See this portion. And this is how much wall. See, from inside wall to outside wall 4 millimeter. Angle 45 degree. Okay. Then this corner radius R5 and rest all 2 millimeter. Now let me choose front. Okay. Front plane. Okay, let's create a plane, or let's do this. Front plane sketch, activate center rectangle, smart dimensions 60, enter 36, and distance from bottom edge 15. Okay. Now make it at center. So select center point of rectangle, hold shift key and origin point and make constraint vertical. Now here choose extruded cut. Now start plane we will change offset How much radius? 35. So let me offset 35. See, let me select this view. See, this plane move 35 millimeter away. Now from here we will cut inside. So keep end condition blind. If we change, it is going outside. So we need to cut inside. Depth 6 millimeter. Angle 45 degree. See how it looks like. Okay. See. Now select this face, sketch, offset 5 millimeter, reverse. Okay. Let me check this. 14, 38, and distance from bottom edge 26. Okay, this is what we achieve. Extrude this one 4 millimeter. Keep end condition blind, depth 4 millimeter, and here apply angle 45 degree inward. See. Now let me apply fillet 5 millimeter symmetric constant type. Let me choose these 4 edges. See. Again apply fillet. This time make it 2 millimeter. All other radius are 2 millimeter, which is not specified. If you select this corner, it will show you this option. Select the first one so that it will select all 4 corners. Okay. Fillet again. Now this time I am going to select face 1, 2, and edge. See. 2 millimeter symmetric. Okay. Oh, this is what we done. Let me add a material to body. Let's apply some plastic to this body. Go to appearance, plastic, glossy plastic. Take little up. Okay, this yellow, plastic yellow. Okay. Now let's make multiple pattern for this. Choose circular pattern. First select a circular edge or face. 360, 10 number of pattern, no, 6 number of patterns. What features? Let me select this extruded cut, extruded boss base, and these all 3 fillets. 6 number of patterns. Okay. Oh, see, it's done. Now let's cut this leaf 50, radius 50, 10 number of patterns. Then we will extrude this one 30. Front plane sketch. Let's define center line. Okay, even we don't need to define. Already here we have reference line. 3-point arc. First point, second point, and third point. Smart dimension 50 radius. Now this upper part we need to remove. Extruded cut. Choose here through all both. Now you will see this arrow. This arrow should move upside. Okay. Cancel. See, we achieved this. Now let's pattern this. Select this in feature. For direction, choose edge. 360, make sure equal space. Then it will divide equally 10 numbers of patterns. Oh, see, we achieved this. Let's add diameter. So sketch or even top plane you can select. Now the cap diameter 30. Extrude. And make this height simply reverse. Total height 130. Okay. Oh, that's it. Now let me choose fillet. 2 millimeter. Now here, instead of selecting all one by one edges, directly choose this circular pattern and this cutout. See, we don't need to select all the edges one by one. Say okay. And here we done. Okay, it's time to create. Okay, before going to create thread, let me do fillet. Shell. 2 millimeter thickness. Select this part. Show. Okay. Okay, it's done. See section view. Okay. Look how this section view looks like. See the embossed inside, outside. Okay, these things we done. It's time to make this thread. See height from top to bottom 5 millimeter, pitch 8 millimeter, and revolution 1.2. Okay, then diameter of this thread 3 millimeter and corner radius R1. Okay, this is the only things balance. Let me choose drop down plane, select this face. Here choose 5 millimeter and flip the offset. See? Okay. Now select the plane, sketch, and select outer surface. Okay, it's okay. Select this outer face, edge or convert entity. Just check the diameter 30. Now go to feature, activate helix and spiral. Now let's pitch and revolution constant. Pitch how much? 8 millimeter given, and revolution 1.2. Okay, this is moving wrong direction, so reverse direction. Angle choose 0. Clockwise. Okay, click and hide the plane. Now let's open sweep boss base, circular profile, diameter 3 millimeter, and select this curve. Now you will see the preview. Okay, now simply click and hide the spiral. Okay, let's make this edge radius 1 millimeter. Okay, it's done. See here. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.